In this video, I will show you how you can find your VRBO listing URL and how it appears to travelers on VRBO. It used to be quite complicated earlier, but VRBO has recently simplified the process. Once you're logged into VRBO from your computer, just hover to the top right section. You will see your name. Click on your name and then choose Owner Dashboard. This will open up your hosting dashboard. All you need to do is just go to the top right section. Click on this drop down, which is effectively the name of your listing. And once that opens, you will see this Go to Traveler site. Just click on this. This opens your website the way it appears to travelers when they are looking at it. You will notice this is the property ID here. So if you know your property ID, all you need to do is just type in vrbo.com/your property ID and it will always open your listing. It's fairly easy. Well done, VRBO. It used to be quite complicated, but it is super easy now. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Until next time, bye-bye.